Let me paint you a picture. It's 2 weeks before the FIFA World Cup. A brand manager needs to launch a campaign. They brainstorm a few ideas, rebrand a product, and send promoters to the streets and pick one based on instinct. They spend big on media, the campaign goes live, and they find out if it worked after it's over. This is how most brands operate today in Bangladesh and globally. They're riding cultural moments blindfolded, and when the moment passes, so does the budget. The core problem, brands have no reliable way to know which campaign will actually perform before they spend. Our solution is MomentBrand AI. It's an AI powered platform that helps brands identify the right cultural moments, generate multiple campaign variants around that moment, score and compare each one, simulate performance based on launch, and recommend the single best campaign to run. Think of it as having a brand strategist, a creative director, and a data analyst all working together instantly before a single dollar is spent on media. The result? Brands stop guessing, they start deciding with data. Now, let's talk about how it works, our actual product. The first step is the brand brain. The brand uploads its identity, name, colors, tone of voice, target audience, product details, prohibited claims, and past campaign performance. This is the AI's foundation. It learns what the brand is and what it must never be. Then we have an event radar. The platform surfaces upcoming cultural moments, ICC Cricket World Cup, FIFA World Cup, each shopping week, etc. Each event is scored across four dimensions: audience relevance, brand overlap, opportunity size, and risk level. No more manually checking what's trending. Then we have campaign generation. The brand selects an event, say Cricket World Cup. The AI explains why this event fits, what emotional angle it resonates, who the target audience is, and what IP or legal risks to watch. Then it generates multiple campaign concepts, like Friends versus Friends watch party, late night cricket combo, etc. Each variant includes a full creative brief, headline, ad copy, CTA, visual direction, landing page idea, and video script. Then we have AI creative scoring. Every variant is scored objectively: brand fit, event fit, emotional resonance, visual salience, memory likelihood, and IP risk. The brand can now compare options using data, not gut feel. Then, of course, we have some test planning. The brand picks the top variants, sets budget, defines the audience, chooses a success metric, and sets a stopping rule. The platform handles the test structure. Lastly, we have simulated analytics. Before anything goes live, the dashboard shows projected performance, purchase intent, engagement, and variant by variant breakdown. And then the platform declares the best performing variant, explain why it won, and recommends whether to scale immediately or run another test round. Let's talk about the AI behind this system. The system takes two inputs, brand data and event data. It then runs them through four layers. LLM generates campaign concepts, RAG retrieves brand guidelines, and past campaign learning, scoring models evaluate creative quality, and personalization logic matches each variant to the right target segment. For Bangladesh specifically, the platform supports Bangla ad copy, local festival context, cricket culture, and regionally appropriate messaging because a generic global tool won't cut it here. Of course, we have to talk about what this means in practice and what's next for us. Right now, brands waste time and budget discovering what doesn't work after campaigns are already live. MomentBrand AI flips that. Brands arrive at launch day already knowing which creative is most likely to win. The measurable outcomes we are targeting: higher CTR, stronger purchase intent, lower testing costs, faster time to launch, and improve ROAS. What's next? Live integration with Meta, Google Ads for real performance data, deeper Bangla and local trend intelligence, and a continuous learning loop. So every campaign the brand runs makes the brand brain smarter for the next one.